am still slightly trembling. I just did my usual walk up to town. Yeah, I've needed some milk, needed some bread, fancied some sweets. Oh look, someone's left there's like a Numatic on the drive. Toddled on past, did my shopping, came back. Where is it? Here. Let's get it out. It says here, please take free. P.S. It does work. All thinking went out of the window, and I find myself sat here as we go to look at a supposedly working 1995 George with a bag of stuff. Doesn't get any better than this, does it? Let's have a look. Yes, hello, my vacuum cleaner and pneumatic chums. How are you today? Yep, I didn't plan this at all. Luckily, the phone would have been on charge anyway. So this is a simple thing to set up. And yeah, I mean, let's start at the tippy end. The plug is the original plug. This is the original rewiring instruction-y stuff that came with all of the pneumatics. We've often found them stuffed inside the cord rewind unit of Henry's. And yeah, look, even the writing is not bad. It's going to be horrible to clean this. It's there-ish. Look at it. It's pretty. This is the first time I'm looking at it as well, so if I sort of stop and pause for a second, I'm also taking it in. Let's segment it, because I think it's very complete. I have had a look just to sort of take it in whilst I calm down. So, the important things. This is a week 41 of 1995 GVE370. At some point in late 2008, it was safe. And yeah, it's got its sticker there. I've not looked underneath yet. Ooh. Not too bad actually. There's no rust on the fan case that I can see, and that's the biggie with these. So that's cool. I'm just going to tuck this under there, nicely out of the way. That is good to see. Bucket is very clean. Let's just bash it out a little bit, and it's one of two stickers that I am seeing. Supplied by Craftex in Taunton, Somerset. And yet Mr. Ryan has already gone, oh, I know those. Apparently his first Henry or something came from here, so that's good to see. And yeah, we're going straight in with the old spray. I mean, it probably will come apart and refurbish it. I can't lie, I'm trying to get my daughter perhaps decent-ish laptop that can play Fortnite and stuff like that, and it's proving to be a little bit expensive. So, you know, he will come apart and be sold in due course. But just for the sake of this before video, oh, look how well this is coming up. Look, yeah, doesn't need much, does it? Ooh, a nice wipe down. There we go, old boy. Nice and clean. We've very flipping careful around this lettering. Oh yes, look at that. I think, yeah, it's just dusty. I don't want to scuff it up too much. Ooh, yeah, cool. Right, so there is, well, yeah, half of it. That's obviously how it's been used for a while, or stored, or whatever. Because yeah, the rest of the magic happens in here. This is a Waitrose and Partners carving pumpkin label on a bag. What is in the bag? I don't fully know. We have a bent end. Well, there's something on the wands, so we'll leave the wands. We'll take this out because this is reasonably obvious. This is the float valve. How blimmin' handy is that? I have here for free. We haven't tested it runs yet, but I believe the label that the random stranger left on the bag by her bins. Or him. It looks like women's handwriting, doesn't it? There we go. That's why it was a bit rattly when we walked home. It was missing the seal that has now given it. That is cool. Right, hose. Ooh, very nice. Not a bent cracked bent hose cuff end. That's why it wouldn't come out. We have all of the tools. Right, so this thing was last used wet. Fair enough. Let's remove this just for now. You come off there, don't you? You slide off there, and not that bad actually. I mean, 1995, 2005, 2015. This thing's nearly 30 years old. Oh my goodness, I do feel old. And yeah, that is mint actually. That's cool. Here is the trigger wiggly, and it's broken. Oh, as they all are. That nice one that I had for the MBV broke as well. Dang it, they always do that. Luckily, you can buy replacements. And yeah, we have ourselves, at the time, this is before the things were built into the hose, we have ourselves a very nice solution tube. And that means that, because I want to set this up for dry vacuuming, I shall say that now, we can get all of this gunk off of here. Likewise this, wow! I mean, it doesn't look like it's been used recently. Oh, I'll get that wet. Oh, there we go, it will come off. Look, we have the original hard floor washing tool. Wow, that's very nice indeed. What else is there? There is a mint. I mean, it's a bit dirty, but mint looking. I see no reason why that's not a genuine original filter. I can't see a label, but that looks perfectly fine to me. What else is in here? Ooh, the best tool they do. I mean, it's like a toy compared to the CDT, but never mind. And then I don't know what's right down here, to be honest. Let's check it out. Gosh, it's so complete. You're not with it as well, are you? Oh, I think you are. Right, brilliant. This is a little sock that goes on there. This might even be the original bag. Look, we have all the clips for the solution tube. Ah! Almost all the small tools. I've never seen them get that style of crevice tool before. That's been on. And then look, a brand new, old, beautiful style dusting brush. And yeah, the best bit of all. I mean, well, yeah, this again just tells you how to wire the plug. This is the manual that came with it, and I've never seen a manual in this style before. I thought they'd been, you know, almost like they currently are ish forever, but no, whether this was done for the contract cleaning company, I don't know, but look at that, look. Oh poo, we are, aren't we? We're missing the original floor tool. Oh, that's a, I wonder if I walk past tomorrow in the daytime if it's there. Yeah. Oh, even if it's not, I do have a spare. Yeah, it's very, very, very complete. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Right, I think what I'm going to do now is find a bag for it and possibly find an floor tool. But yeah, we'll borrow the MBV's floor tool because it's currently 8:30 at night and this is about to be loud, so we have to be quick. Also just noticed we've got 3 wands, and again, if my brain serves correctly, this would have had a complete second toolkit for the wash head. I'm sure might be missing a second dry hose. That's probably why the dry head is missing. Although I'm flipping well, going to walk back past that house tomorrow morning quickly in the daylight just to see if I missed it. Maybe there was another little bag there, and hopefully it's still there, because who's going to want to pick up a bag with a couple of vacuum tools in it? Us. So I went and found a genuine Numatic from 2007. I'm getting through my little stash of old bags, which is just going to be perfect for this. There we go. Get it on there without ripping the cardboard collar. There you go. Pop the dry filter in. We'll put this on, and the switches are off, actually. So, shall we trust the note from the random stranger on the thing I picked up from the side of the road? Which one is it? It'll be this one. Oh. Wow! It's mint. Pump work? Yeah, it does. That's cool. I won't let it dry. This thing is really smooth. Oh my goodness. This is fantastic. So, I'm not digging through the house to get the single pedal pneumatic floor tool because I know where it is. So we shall use, this is very tall, the Stella Pneumatic heavy cordless floor tool from the MBV. There's nothing wrong with that at all. So for just my normal walk into town, I say that was a complete success. Wow, what a almost complete pneumatic vacuum cleaner that is. I mean, I guess, which way do I go now? Do I just sell it as it is, to somebody else as a mild project? Do I find all the missing bits and make a really complete George and smash it on eBay? I'm not too sure. Comment down below what you think I should do with it. But I tell you what I'm going to do tomorrow, and that is not use this. I mean, it's got to be original, isn't it? Comment down below. Is it original? I'm going to say it is until told otherwise by somebody I trust. So I won't be using these pretty much. I mean, that looks original. That looks very familiar. I'm not using these tools. I shall find some other tools. I might even stick the hose from the heavy cordless on him. But I think I might go outside tomorrow, if the weather's alright, and give the car a good vacuum out with the power of a Numatic George. And yeah, wow, that's really quite cool. I wasn't expecting to have a George today. Now I have a George. It's been worse. So comment down below what's the best thing you found on your walk to the shops and back. And maybe this Numatic George, will see you soon. Bye bye.